Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla.
Breaking news. uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uwine icala belifakile against uCalvin Mothibeli. Evikini eliphelile usomabhizinisi orana i-private security company okuCalvin Mothibeli wathi uGeneral Mkhwanazi urana i-hit squad, okusho ukuthi PKTT uyayithuma ukuthi soconge nemibulala abantu. Wathi njalo uma beya kuma-operations uGeneral Mkhwanazi ufike atshela abeyimoshari ukuthi abalungi ngoba uma laba njengoba beyo kwi-operation abezukubopha muntu, bazofike bababulale labo bantu labo. Emveni kwaleyo nkulumo leyo wambuza uZiyanda Ngcobo ukuthi yibuphi ubufakazi anabo kungalolu daba lushoyo, ngoba wathi yena uGeneral Mkhwanazi is captured. He is captured by ama-private security company angama-competitors wakhe kanye nefamily ethize kulamafamily anamateksi aziwayo ase-KZN. Yibona abantu abamcapturile la. Uma bethi akaveza ubufakazi, wathi okwamanje akeze ukuyiveza lokho, kodwa uyakwazi lokho futhi kune-information ayithola. Kusho ukuthi 10 minutes before amaphoyisa ezofika kwakhe kukhona umuntu owamfonela wamtshela ukuthi amaphoyisa eze kwakhe ngenhloso yokuzombulala. Lawo maphoyisa lawo mayesho yena ayithunyelwe uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Wayise-ke emveni kwalezo nkulumo uGeneral Mkhwanazi wathi ngoba lo muntu ungcolisa igama lakhe futhi uthunaza isithunzi sakhe, uzomthathela iy'nyathelo ngokomthetho. Wayese yahamba enkantolo lapho afike khona afaka udaba on agent basis noma agent application. Kulolu daba njengoba beliye enkantolo, uGeneral Mkhwanazi ubemelwe u-advocate uSikhakhane, othe uma efika enkantolo wazethula-ke izethulo ngendlela abeke ngayo nanokuthi lolu daba kuli-agent kangakanani. Uma ephendula ongummangalelwa noma ummeli kammangalelwa kuCalvin wathi yena akaliboni ukuthi lolu daba lu-agent futhi ufisa inkantolo imthatha uCalvin njengomuntu oyi-whistleblower. Okwesibili, alukwazi ukuthi lolu daba lingaba agent ekubeni uGeneral Mkhwanazi akusumuntu oqala lo ukuthi amthuke. Engani uPaulo Sullivan wamthuka kusuka ngomhla ka-6 kuJuly nangomhla ka-7 August, engikhohlwa idate yesithathu, kuma-platform ayi-3 ehlukene emthuka. Kunalokho uGeneral Mkhwanazi wathatha icala walifaka enkantolo for ukuthi ufuna uPaulo Sullivan akhokhe iy'ndleko noma ama-damages ekungcoliseni igama lakhe engange-5 million. Manje kungani uma kuyiclient yakhe efuneka udaba lulalelwe on agent basis kodwa kuPaulo Sullivan lingalalelwanga on agent basis? U-advocate uSikhakhane uma iphendula lapho uthi it's up to iclient yakhe ikhethe ukuthi ifuna ukwenze njani. It's up to yona ukuthi yanini enkantolo, it's up to yona ukuthi ilibuka lolu daba lishesha kangakanani. Kunye futhi akuvezile uCalvin ukuthi unayo yena imali. Ngakho-ke uGeneral Mkhwanazi akasho ukuthi for ukungcolisa igama lakhe ufuna malini ukuze lolu daba liphele. Yena nje uzoyibhala i-check. Uma ekhuluma nabezindaba uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthe uma ezibona ukuthi unemali eningi akabhale i-check, abhale labo zero babe baningi, abheka ama-orphanage ikhale ey'ntandane, ama-orphanage home adonatele labo bantu labo. Njengoba udaba lisenkantolo, inkantolo ezonqoma ukuthi yenze njani. Siphumeleke isinqumo senkantolo, asisifunde. Lolu daba oluphakathi kuka-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ongummangali kanye noCalvin Mojalifa Mathibeli ongummangalelwa. Delivered electronically, this judgment is deemed to be handed down electronically on 27 February 2026 at 3 p.m. by circulation to the parties' representatives via emails. Order. In the results, the following order is made. The forms and service procedures of the Uniform Rules of Court are dispensed with and this matter is heard on urgent basis in terms of Rule 6 in bracket 12A. Pending the finalization of the action for damages. 2.1. The respondent is interdicted and restrained from publishing, repeating, or discriminating any statement alleging or implying that the applicant is a criminal or corrupt, the applicant abuses police authority. Okusho ukuthi la kusalindwa isinqumo ney'nyathelo ezizothathwa odabeni lwama-damages. Kodwa okwamanje ummangalelwa inkantolo iyamnqabela ukuthi aphinde akhulume noma abhale noma isiphi statement esizobe sithi uGeneral Mkhwanazi kuyena ummangali, uyisigebengu noma ucorrupt okanye u-abuser i-authority anayo ngokwesiphoyisa. The applicant is captured by private interest. The applicant is issued instruction to kill people or participate in unlawful killings. The applicant acts unlawfully or dishonestly in the execution of his official duties. 2.2. The respondent is ordered to remove, delete, and retract all defamatory publication concerning the applicant from all social media platforms, website, and digital media within 24 hours of service of this order. Where the respondent has responded to this defamatory statement on TV or radio interviews, the respondent is ordered to publicly and on the same platforms retract such statement. The action for damages allegedly suffered by applicant is to be instituted. Nake isinqumo lesi esiphume enkantolo eDurban High Court mayelana naleli cala, okusho ukuthi uKelvin sekufuneka abuyele futhi kuyo leya platform ayohoxisa wonke lamagama. Asazi-ke kodwa ukuthi odabeni oluthinta isinxephezelo ngokungcolisa igama likaGeneral Mkhwanazi kuzomiswa kanjani. Kodwa kwamanje nje i-judgment ithi kufanele akhiphe i-public apology, axolise futhi angaphinde ezwakale ekhuluma lento ayisho ngalela la. Ithe angenze le video ngikuchazele ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngosuku uKelvin akhuluma ngalo sayenza ivideo ukwazisa ukuthi nazi insolo eyishiwo uKelvin ngoGeneral Mkhwanazi, sakucaphunela nevideo lapha ayikhuluma khona esho zonke lezi zinto ezibhaliwe. Kuthengwe nesikhathi sebese enkantolo saphinde futhi senze ivideo yokwazisa ukuthi icala lisenkantolo, umuntu omele uGeneral Mkhwanazi advocate uSikhakhane, sakucaphunela namavideo ukuthi kuma heads of arguments wabo batheni. Yingakho ngibone kunesidingo sokuthi ngenze le video ngikwazisa ukuthi cha, inkantolo isisithathile isinqumo, yabona ukuthi lolu daba lu-agent noma lukho agent. Ngoba belingekho agent beyizokhipha isinqumo ithi cha, udaba lukho agent, kodwa ngokwayo udaba lu-agent, ingakho isikhiphile ke isinqumo. Bengithi nje angikwazisi, ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lonke lolu daba esixoxayo. Futhi enye into engifisa sikhulume ngayo ile ayishilo lo muntu mayesefika enkantolo ukuthi ufuna inkantolo imthathe njenge-whistleblower. I-whistleblower umuntu ofika akhulume aveze into ezi-wrong ezenziwayo bese ekhipha ngisho ubufakazi. Akuyena umuntu kwi-platform njenge-social media okanye TV afika akhulume zonke izinto lezi angakhiphi ubufakazi bese ekugcineni kosuku efuna ukuthi kuthiwa yena akathathwe njenge-whistleblower. Abangehlisi igama nesithunzi sama-whistleblower. Ama-whistleblowers akubona abantu abahambe bethuka abantu, kodwa abantu abangazwani ne-corruption, abazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi bayi-expose i-corruption. Ukube yena ubekhipha ubufakazi balento abeyisho, bengingavuma nami ukuthi uyi-whistleblower. Ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngalo kalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.